just finished the shower. Let's put some skincare. Hey guys, so I am so excited about this Louis Vuitton purchase at Las Vegas. I purchased this item at, oh my god, where did I purchase this? I totally forgot. There's like a 3 or 4 Louis Vuitton in Las Vegas, and I got this item, I think at the Wynn Hotel. Anyway, I totally forgot. We were just walking by and I saw this piece at the window, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta have it. So let's open this up right now. You know, Louis Vuitton, my box was upside down, that's okay. Louis Vuitton, the last collection for women, it was the, well actually not the last collection, 2 collections ago was a Game On collections, and you guys know I bought a Game On t-shirt. I really love that, but I was not able to get the small leather goods from the Game On. And you guys know me that anytime when there's new collections, I don't typically like to buy a large piece because it's just so much money, and be honest with you, their quality, I mean, you're gonna hate me for that, but any Louis Vuitton loyal user, you will know the quality is getting kind of worse every year. Women's collection is not as bad as men's collections. It just, the quality just not as good as before. I don't know why. And don't ask me why I keep on buying them, that's another issue. But this, I saw this piece and said, oh my god, I gotta have it. So so this is it. And the sales lady, she's so nice. And she wrapped this, oh there's a receipt. She wrapped this in the holiday tissue, which I asked for that because I think it's pretty. Oh my god, wrong plate. So the sales lady is Sarah. Hi Sarah, if you're watching. She's really nice. And this is a Louis Vuitton at the Fashion Show Mall. Let me correct this, Fashion Show Mall. At Louis Vuitton. Her name is Sarah. She's very nice. I met 2 Louis Vuitton CA in Las Vegas. Sarah was very nice, and Nicholas at Crystal was very nice too. And I also bought something from Crystal. And this is the receipt. Okay. Thank God for this, or else I don't even remember where I got this from. So let's see this now. Oh my god, just take a look at this. So obviously you know it's a Game On collection. It is the Game On Toiletry bag. I am, like, this was the first item I want to purchase when I first saw the lookbook 2-3 months ago, because I think the price is right for me. I just don't want to spend like a couple $1,000s. That's kind of ridiculous right now. Especially I have my own business now, so I gotta be careful how much I spend. So this is Price is Right. There's a monogram hearts right here, and then there's a hearts right here with the denim color. Inside it's just a standard toiletry bag, so nothing special about this, but I just love this particular design color, and this will be perfect as a pouch because I can get an insert and get a strap on, so make it like a little crossbody bag, or I can use this inside my Birkin. It's perfect size for that, or just whatever, you know. I'm really happy to get this, so I just want to show this guys with you real quick. I want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube video today, getting ready with me at this beautiful hotel, Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. Thank you, and for all your support of my new journey, Ibu Beauty. And if you have not follow us at Ibu Beauty on Instagram, please do so. Ibu Beauty is my baby. It's my first skincare brand, and we want to create a beauty community. And what's important to us is to really listen to you. What is you looking for? And what are the products that you wish that nobody's making right now? And since I'm a business owner now, I have a team of R&D team, account executive. I have really talented people working with me, so we can do our best to create what's you're looking for. So definitely follow us on Instagram and let us know what you're looking for. That will mean a lot to me. And I know a lot of people has been asking me that when is the product going to be released. Well, like I say, we are focused on community first, and I can give you a little hint here. Most likely the first online store will be sometime in early spring this year, and my goal is to have a different launch in different months, and based on the feedback I can tweak the ingredients or the product that we're doing. So definitely let me know what you want so I can be creating that for you. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. I'll see you very soon. Bye.